If you're wondering how you can design your own YouTube channel art yourself, this is the video for you. In today's video, our own in-house graphic designer is going to show you how you too can design your channel art using a free tool called Canva so that you can design beautiful artwork for your YouTube real estate channel yourself. So let's get to it. Hi and welcome back to the Unbound Creative Agency channel. If you're new here, my name is Yoke. I'm the founder of Unbound, and at Unbound we help realtors and mortgage professionals launch and scale on YouTube so that you can start attracting leads instead of having to constantly chase them. If that's something that interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We release new videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and it's all about how you can do it yourself and also a little bit of how we can help you reach your YouTube goals. So without further ado, we're gonna show you how you can design your own channel art. Channel art is really important to help your channel grow, because this is what people are gonna see. The first thing they're gonna see when they come from a video to your YouTube channel. So you wanna make sure that it includes everything they need to know to figure out what your channel is about within just, let's say, 2 seconds. On top of that, if you're a realtor, you want to check with your brokerage if you have to include certain elements, branding elements, or maybe a license number or a brokerage number on your channel art as well. And now our in-house graphic designer, Jihan, is going to show you how you can design your channel art for yourself in Canva. Canva is a free tool that you can use online. I will also leave a link for it in the description below. So enjoy.
Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can create your own YouTube banner in Canva. Once you're on Canva, at the top right corner of your screen, click on Create a Design button and then search for YouTube channel art. You can start creating your own banner from scratch, or you can also use a template. Just search YouTube channel art on the search bar, and then you'll see a wide variety of templates that you can use for your channel art. So we will be creating our YouTube banner from scratch. The first thing you have to do is to add dimensions for different types of screens. I'm gonna show you an easy way to do that. If you click on Elements tab, add a square shape. The centerpiece shown on every corner is 1546 width by 423 height. So we will just drag the corners to get the values right, or something closer to the values. And then place it to the center of your canvas. Click on Position, Middle, and Center. The next dimensions are for tablets. So again, you want to add another square shape. It's gonna have the same height but slightly wider. So same height, and it will be 1855 wide. After that, change the color of the shape. And then again, make sure it is centered. Put the wider element at the back. The next thing you need to do is click on the File tab at the top left corner of your screen, and then click on Show Rulers. Just drag the lines onto the screen to create a guide. So we got all those now. You can now delete the shapes because you don't need them anymore. So after that, the first thing you need to do is to add your photo. You'll see here that I've already uploaded it. Then place your photo into your canvas and reposition it to where you want to place it. You can also click on the Positions tab. So you can also add a background for your banner. Canva has a lot of stock photos that you can use. Let's look for a background. And then reposition the photo to the back. The next thing would be is to add text about you or about your channel. Just click on the Text tab and then add a text. So let's say living in Denver. Then send the text backwards. You can also have the option to add your website or your contact details here. And then, the next important thing is just let people know how frequent they're gonna see content from you. So add something like new videos weekly or every other day whenever you upload content to your channel. You can also add elements. Just click on the Elements tab. You can search for any elements that you want to use. For example, you want to add a subscribe button. So once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to export. Just click on the download button. Make sure that the file type is PNG and then click on download. After that, you can upload it to your YouTube channel.
All right, thank you, Jihan, for showing us that. If you do want a little bit more help launching and scaling your channel, there's a link in the description below where you can book a call with our business development manager who can then talk you through our agency program and what that might be able to do for you. In the meantime, make sure that you check out the videos over here, and then I will see you next time.